Yeah. Yes. See, this is the one of the small use case. Like everyone knows, like in the word count, I have some documents are available. Just imagine Hadoop is good, Hadoop is bad. Same data. Just imagine like I have a documents like yeah, biggest documents is there. Millions of records are there. So I want to find out each and every word how many times repeating. How can I achieve through pig? Same requirement we can do it through map reducing like almost 50 to 60 lines of Java code is there. But same requirement by using pig can do it within 5 to 6 lines. This is my data. Hadoop is good, Hadoop is bad. Come to Hadoop class, some data is there. For example, make it some cat data. I already created now. So welcome to Hadoop class. We did Hadoop class, Hyderabad Hadoop users, Hadoop, Krishna, like this. This is the data is there. Now I want to find out each and every word how many times repeating. Tell me how we are going to achieve it according to our experience. Uh-huh. First point, yes, we want to log into pig. After login completed, first we want to store all this data into our pig bag. Yes. So completely this is the data now. Create a single column, one column, load all this data into that column. Step 1. Now step 2. Yes, I want to count this data. How do I count the words? How do I count the words? First I divide the words, then only possible to count it. Right? That's why I divide it into atoms. After that, now I want to convert in that inner tuple to outer tuple. Converting inner tuple to outer tuple. After completion of converting inner tuple to outer tuple, then next I want to count it. We know aggregate functions working only. Aggregate functions working only, grouping only, right? Applying grouping function only. So apply grouping, then apply count function. That's it. We can easily count the data. Right. See the programmatically also, just a 5 lines code. First log into pig, create a bag, load the data into pig bag. Do the practically also parallelly. Pig minus x local, enter. Yes, I'm logging into pig terminal. Now I want to create a bag. Take any name. Bag1 equal to load space file name data using pig storage. As schema. Take on column name, for example, call1 char array. Call1 char array, enter. So what happened? Now bag created by the name bag1. All data, what is the data is there? All data now we are loading into pig bag. I want to check if the data, you can check it. Dump bag1, enter. Yes, this is our data. Welcome to Hadoop class. Hadoop class. This is the data. See the data also in tuple format. Completely data is loading into open brace and closed brace tuple format. Okay. Now, according to my requirement, I want to convert this tuple to individual atoms. It's completely one tuple and one atom only. Completely one tuple and one atom only. This is the meaning of atom. Employee ID is one atom in our table. Similarly, this is also one atom, only one atom. But I want to divide this data into individual atoms. How can I? Before that one, describe, just for clarity, bag one. This is the schema, call one char array. Now bag two equal to, okay, how to converting one tuple to atom. I'm doing filtering now. So for each bag one, generate. One function is there to converting data into atoms. What function? Tokenize function. Yes, tokenize. Tokenize of previous table column name, previous bag column name. So what is this tokenize? This is one of the inbuilt function in Pig. This inbuilt function, it splits the line into words. It splits the line into words by treating space as the delimiter by default. Here, what is the space is there? Up to the space is taking the one word and dividing the data into individual atoms. The function name is tokenize. Tokenize of call one. That's it. Tokenize of call one. Enter. I want to see the output. Dump bag 2. Enter. You see here. This is my data. Welcome is one atom now. One atom at the same time tuple also. How can I say this is a tuple? Single atom tuple. Any data open closed braces is there, that is you call it tuple. Inner tuple. Complete line also, this is the one tuple. In this tuple, how many atoms is there? In this tuple, how many atoms is there? 4 atoms is there. At the same time, 4 inner tuples is there. Okay. And next line, 3 atoms is there. This tuple 3 atoms is there. And 3 inner tuples also is there. Same meaning. How it is coming? Tokenize taking the responsibility here by taking space as by default delimiter. So what is tokenize? This is by default inbuilt function. Okay. After that, now I want to count it. So I want to convert this inner tuple to outer tuple. How can I convert that inner tuple to outer tuple? Step 3. Yes. Take flatten keyword. Flatten off. Flatten. This flatten taking care. Converting inner tuple to outer tuple. So take another bag name. Just for converting bag 3 equal to for each previous bag name generate flatten. This is also the flatten also inbuilt function only. What is the responsibility of the flatten? It's converting inner tuple to outer tuple. Flatten of $0. What is $0? As take one column name, whatever it is column name, that column name. Take for example column 2, just for your convenience. So here, what is flatten? Yes, this flatten take the responsibility converting inner tuple to outer tuple. At the same time, the $0 indicates the cursor pointed to the particular tuple. First, I want to convert to welcome to outer tuple. Then after welcome, then to, then Hadoop, then class. Inner tuple is there. What are the inner tuples? Those inner tuples I want converting into outer tuples. I want convert into outer tuples. Like that we are using, that's why we are using flattening keyword here. See here, this is the complete meaning of one tuple. Just a tuple. Okay. There is no meaning of outer tuple, only inner tuple is there. So how to say this is a tuple? How to say this is a tuple? Open brace, closed brace is there. That is the meaning of tuple. Any data comes under opening closed brace, that is a tuple. In our pig, right? Even though if you're loading an employee table, that is comes under tuple format only. So in this tuple, internally welcome keyword is there. See this one. This is the one tuple. Open and closed brace is there. Two is there. Open and closed braces. That is meaning of inner tuples. So this flatten converting that inner tuple to outer tuple like this. FLATTEN. Okay, spell mistake. Type error. Flatten. Yes. Now see the output. Dump bag 3. Now you get the class. Yeah, see here. Now this is the only tuple. There is no inner tuples. Welcome is one tuple. Two is one tuple. Hadoop is tuple. Class is one tuple. These are all the tuples. Okay. Now I want to see the schema. Describe bag 3 call to carry. Column to carry. Okay. Now come to the next point. I want to count these words. How can I count? If grouping is possible, then grouping only possible to count it. So how can I count? Take bag 4 equal to our bag, yes. Group bag 3 by, yes, step 3. Step 4. Bag 3 by word, that column name. Bag 3 by call 2. Bag 3 by call 2. Enter. Grouping is completed. Dump bag 4. Enter. It's like this. Interestingly, I want to see the schema of this table, this bag. Describe bag 4. So here, same what we did previously, grouping time. Group, carry array, bag 3, this data is there. Now I want to count it. Yes, bag 5 equal to, for each, bag 4, generate, count of bag 3 as mention schema name, column name, call 3, just for your fun. And you want letters also, two-word Hadoop that you want. If I press the enter, what happened? Press the enter, what is expecting out? Only count is coming, like one numbers only coming. There is no letters. I want that words also. Make it here. Yeah, group, comma, count of bag 3 as column 3. Now it's coming. If you want same name, take it the same name. If you want a different name, for example, instead of group, I want to take that is a words now as word. So word comma that number. This word this number of times. Here instead of call 3, you can take a count. Just a meaningful name. CNT. As per your command. Enter. Describe bag 5. Yes, word CNT. Bag 5. That's it. Out is coming like this. It's like this. Now I want to give this data to my manager. I want to give this report to my manager. How can I give? Store bag 5 into big result res. I have already directed, just I'm using number. And if you want any delimiter, using big storage. Comma delimiter, comma, like this. If you want some other delimiter, I also mention here. Enter. Yes, successfully completed. It will be there in our local file system. Big result 98. Yes. 5 zeros, enter. This is the output.